Welcome to my YouTube channel Screenprint. In this video, we will discuss three things you must have to make lots of money fast. Wherever you are presently in your life, you can begin to make large amount of money very fast if you understand a few simple principles. Despite what anyone may tell you, these principles of generating money fast do work. These principles are not difficult, but in order to understand them, you must process them. You must take the time to give them some thought until the thought becomes a part of your very being. I can tell you from first hand experience that fast money does not come through hard work. If you are marketing your business are interested in accumulating more money, struggling will only kill your chances of getting money in a fast and easy way. The first step. The first thing you need to in order to make fast money is to have a clear goal. How much do you want? You would be so surprised at how many people want more money but don't have a clear idea as to how much they want. Without a clear goal, your desire is just a wish, it is not concentrate. Be specific about how much money you want and by when you would like to have it. Step number two. The very next step is to take inspired action. Inspired action comes from the universe as a nudge. It's the perfect idea, job, or business that will help you in getting your goal accomplished. It makes no sense trying to do something that your neighbor or your worker tried. What is an ideal opportunity to make fast money for them may not be ideal for you. Besides, your goals are unique and the opportunities that are rightfully aligned for you are rightfully suited for you to reach your goal in time that you desire. Step number three. The third most powerful step is to have a clear and bright vision of your goal. This is where most people fail. Most people get caught up in fear and worry that their goal will not be able to materialize and spend lots of wasted time holding back on their actions. How many times have you been offered a great idea which you may have promised to do but allowed your fears to get in the way? Over the years, I can honestly say that I have tested all these theories and without fail they work in generating money faster than I did not practice these methods. So this was our video about three things you must have to do to make lots of money fast. If you like my video, please like and share it with your friends and subscribe my channel Screen Print.